What we're ready to accept for convenience, we will not accept from a government perspective. So I think we need to be aware that if it's not okay over here, please be aware you're collecting way more in the private sector. One of the big issues we're dealing with is the collection of demographic information, data that allows departments to see if their performance is what it should be. Are we reaching the right audiences? Are our services being consumed by folks that need them most? Are we doing all the right things? Do we have the right services? So that requires collection of demographic information, race, ethnicity, gender, all of that stuff, and trying to get folks to understand, do you need that linked to an individual, or do you need to collect that in such a way that it is not? What we are doing correctly is we have embedded ourselves in all technology acquisition processes, so you can't buy anything until you've gone through a privacy review. In terms of where we could do even better, I think it's helping to continue drive the story about what privacy is and is not at the city. We have a lot of conflicting pulls on departmental mission and what they're trying to accomplish. There are technology solutions to a lot of issues around security and privacy, but there will always be the human element, there will always be policy, there will always be decisions to make, and it's what people do on a daily basis that really drive whether privacy is impactful or not, whether we can actually make privacy occur.